A pioneer, an innovator, a leader. Rotoflow, an air products business, combines the industry's most trusted name in turbo machinery with world-leading industrial gas expertise. Backed by more than 125 years of experience, we are one of the world's only OEMs, both manufacturing and operating turbo machinery, keeping us a step ahead in hydrocarbon, industrial gas, liquid natural gas, petrochemical, and energy recovery applications. Rotoflow's aftermarket solutions include field service, shop and field repairs, upgrades and re-rates, performance and reliability assessments, remote monitoring, and specialized training. Our service technicians have experience with a wide range of rotating and reciprocating equipment and can service all turbo machinery makes and models at every life cycle phase and in operating plants of all types. Rotoflow's aftermarket support is available 24/7, 365. If you're facing an emergency issue, our field service technicians around the globe can mobilize immediately to troubleshoot and repair your equipment and get you back online as quickly as possible. Regular maintenance is essential to long-term efficiency. Rotoflow engineers and technicians are highly trained to identify causes of damage and recommend upgrades that will improve performance, reduce wear and tear, and help avoid future problems. Our cost-effective maintenance solutions help ensure operational continuity and minimize unexpected downtime. Precision and reliability are critical. Rotoflow's quality control measures include inspection, balancing, spin testing, pressure testing, and a full suite of specialized testing services. We are dedicated to superior equipment performance and unrivaled reliability. Safety is paramount. All Rotoflow technicians undergo extensive training based on global safety policies. Our commitment to total safety is a commitment to doing things right. The leading expert in turbo machinery technology, equipment, and system design, Rotoflow seamlessly serves customers around the world, no matter the conditions or demands. Experience more together.